something bad was happening. Look at this. My house, upstairs and living room, and bathroom, and under the stairs. Here's something. I heard from YouTube if your cat stays night by night in the same room that it keeps saying him or her in your bedroom or later. I saw her him either her my cat on my bedroom. Or also my dad and mom sleep. Now here. If your cat is up there night by night and you keep saying, it means she's summoning a devil. I'm not kidding. This is really bad. I'm not laughing. If you came here to kill me, clap your hands. Why did it not work? Okay, guys, you watch it. Better watch it. Tell me in the comments if you see something. If you came here to kill me, clap your hands. There's a devil! Where? Oh, guys, my cat. She's actually summoning the devil. No, I am not lying. I did not do that. I'm so bad.
Tigilan mo yan cellphone ko ha. Tigilan mo.
What? Summoning the devil can't be that bad. It's wait. Air.
Bakit?
Camera. I'm recording.
Dagdagan mo to, lagay mo na sa ref para may inumin tayo mamaya. Tuluin mo yan. Dali na.
Okay, guys, I am dead. Now I'm fully sure the demon is gonna get me, and then I'm gonna be stuck in this house. Literally. The fan arts. The sun! Does the sun look weird? There's me. The creepy door that's mysteriously open. If you came here to kill me, clap your hands. Okay, that wasn't clapping. That was more like just like, you know, about some enchanted demons, I think. Not again! To the devil!
Ben, ginawa mo ba yung inuutos ko? Ha? Ginawa mo ba yung inuutos ko? Lagyan mo ng tubig yun. Lagay mo sa ref.
Because now I'm gonna be dead. Bye-bye, everyone.